Hello? Speak of the devil. I was just thinking of you. Yeah. I'm fine. My back's been killing me with the little one recently. Sweet of you to ask. Yeah, she's fine. She's been kicking a lot recently. Okay. Enough small talk. We both know that's not why you called me. What? Am I really supposed to trust you? Do you believe yourself right now? Do you hear what you're saying? You know what, that's better than having a deadbeat for a mother. You can stay in the guest bedroom. Yeah, well, I've changed too. Just having her near me, having her inside of me, I've never been closer to anyone. Baby, just please, I just have one request. Please, I don't want you there for her birth. Please, I want to do it alone.